All right, guys, good morning, good morning. A beautiful sunny day here in Huatulco. Absolutely. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Beautiful day. Let's go outside, feel the heat, man. Oh, the boats are just leaving. Boys are getting away late, flying the frickin' big Mexican flag. There goes a tour, it looks like, too. Just pulling out. Well, guys, welcome to our channel. We are two gringos on the Gulf, and we're about to head out rental hunting. So you might as well come along and check out some properties with us, chicos. But first, we will grab something to eat. Oh, I gotta cut that nail. I just did my nails. Oh, they need to be done again. All right, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Huatulco, Oaxaca, Mexico. Well, we're gonna do a little pit stop at the bank here, guys, before we grab a bite to eat. Thanks for joining us today, my friends. We really appreciate it. So we have about 5 rentals to look at. Like I said in the previous video, if you haven't checked that out, I encourage you to go and do that after this one. I'll drop a link at the end to all of our Oaxaca tours here, my friends, as well as all of our budget videos and all of our property tours. Not sure where we're gonna go eat yet, but I keep leaving Jennifer and little CECE behind. Oh, there they come, dodging the puddles.
Yeah, I don't know. He doesn't want to walk.
Okay, we'll put him in his pouch. CECE don't want to walk today, so we'll put him in his little pouch. Nice outdoor restaurant here. We walked by here last night. It's a pizza place right here, and it was pretty busy actually. They got a wood oven over there, wood-fired pizza. Yeah, must got a bit of rain last night.
Probably this morning. We were out in it. It was raining pretty good.
Yeah, so this is a pretty nice area down here, down by the marina.
I don't know what.
Very nice. Pretty sure these places are condos. Look expensive anyway, more than I can afford. She's hot out. Hot, hot, hot. All right, guys, we're gonna eat in the square here. Cafe Huatulco. And we already know what we want. Gonna get the tamale. 150 pesos, comes with juice, coffee, and a tamale, and different choices. Chicken, ribs, Jen said, and I didn't hear what the other one was, but I'm just gonna go with the chicken tamale anyway. We were down here last night. It's a nice area. It was pretty quiet last night. They got upstairs seating there on the balcony there. restaurants down below. There's a market going on over there. Our hotel's back behind us. So our first appointment is at 10 o'clock, so we got to eat and go. All right, let's watch Jennifer unwrap her tamale. He's bringing me some salsa picante. You got chicken as well?
Yeah.
Ooh, looks pretty good anyway.
Mole.
Mole. And we got our orange juice, and we ordered a cappuccino instead for a little extra charge. We do like our cappuccino. We had one this morning in the hotel room, so we're all confirmed to go see the first one here at 10 o'clock, and it's a 7-minute drive away, so we're gonna eat and go, my friends. Hold on tight. And the birds want something to eat. I don't think so, buddy. Nice try.
Pretty bold.
So these birds are pretty bold. Pretty good, spicy. All right, guys, we had our breakfast now. We're gonna head back to the hotel, grab our car, and head off to our first appointment. 7-minute drive, it says, so. The Love Bar, Santa Cruz. Smoothies, all right. Looks nice. Tangled up here in little CECE. He always gets right in front of Dad. Get right in front of Dad. Well, guys, I thought you'd come along for this drive with us here. Oh! Oh, shit, that's a big frickin' hole. Oh, I was watching the guy with the weed eater there, and he's kind of on the road, and didn't want to hit him, and neglected to see the pothole. Ay, 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 ay. So I gotta turn here. I gotta do a funky turn. Follow these guys.
Exit the roundabout onto Boulevard Chahue.
Chahue. Must have a light here. Everyone's going. Yeah, they got a light. That's how it's
Continue on
spelled.
Boulevard Chahue for 1 kilometer.
Yeah, it was one of the first things I noticed when we got into Oaxaca, that the roads are not that great. There's a lot of big potholes. And a lot of areas, like when we were driving here, that were washed away. You know, like part of the road was missing in the embankment. Something going on over there.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Guelaguetza.
We gotta go down this way. Yeah. had to cancel one of our appointments because the lady, it's a really tiny house, very, very tiny. And she also had an apartment to show us. And I asked if the apartment was negotiable because it was $17,000. She said, well, $16,500. And I said, oh, okay, well, that's above our budget, sorry. And then she said, well, the house is $17,000. So I just canceled it because she didn't sound like she wanted to negotiate at all. And that's just above our budget.
Turn left onto Huatulco.
Right down here. All right. Oh, I think this kind of looks like this would be one way here. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. This all looks like a one way to me.
He said right. Oh, that. Oh.
Goes up here.
Your destination is on the right.
It's this place right here. Alright, yeah, this is
Number 55. Yeah, number 55. It's this one. It doesn't look like anybody's here.
no. Okay, guys, this is it. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's go in and check out this place. Hopefully CECE doesn't bark too terribly much.
Maybe you go first.
Okay. Oh, lots of murals anyway. So it's an Airbnb, but they want to do a long-term rental. We got CECE barking like crazy. So here's the kitchen. Pretty big, actually. A gas burner, I like that. Full-size fridge, I like that. It's got character. So there's your gas for your stove, it looks like. Wash machine. And I'm not sure where the hot water tank is. We'll figure that out. That's a nice little area back here though. Oh, it's even got another bathroom back here. That's probably where the hot water tank is. Bedroom? Oh yeah. No AC in here though, eh? I don't even think there's AC in here.
Only the bedroom's upstairs.
Oh, okay. Okay, I like the murals, nice. So, baño. Big shower. See if we have hot water in here. So there is a lot of stuff here. Like the wooden stairs. This was the house that we really liked with all the murals. It's pretty big though, like it's, oh, here's another bathroom. Okay. We're trying to figure out if there's hot water, guys.
No hot water.
Oh, no hot water. Oh, well, that's a deal.
There's 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, that's a deal breaker then.
Yeah, that's a shame.
Too bad.
No AC. I'm sure she told me there was brand new ones. No AC in this one either.
Yeah, it's up there.
Okay.
So this is the master bedroom with the brand new AC in it, but there's no hot water.
I think that's too far up to be effective.
Pardon?
The AC is too far up to be effective.
No, that'd be fine. It'd cool off this room in here. Oh, it just dripped water right there.
Yeah. I saw it on the stairs.
Okay, well, there's no hot water. It's not gonna work for us, unfortunately. We need hot water. Not a bad place though. I mean, the roof was leaking. So, you can never go by the pictures, right? Oh well. C'est la vie. Well, thanks for following along with us today, guys. We really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. As always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego. We go. One more. Check back in. We got 5 more to look at, and I'll be posting them all within the next few weeks, guys. You gonna drive? You driving? Alright, Google Maps brought me down the street the wrong way. Oh, look at this.